we had discussed about the separation of solid mixture. Up to the solid mixture has been completed. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the separation of solid liquid mixture. Solid liquid mixture. Separation of solid liquid mixture. First process is first process is sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. Look, what is sedimentation and decantation? Suppose this is okay. Look at here. Suppose this is one beaker. Okay, beaker contains water, and suppose pour we pour some amount of sand. We are adding some amount of sand. Okay, so sand will after some time sand will be collected as collected at the bottom of the beaker. Okay, collected at the beaker. So the sand when adding in water after some time it's been settled down. Okay, and been settled down like suspended, insoluble and heavy particles it is. That's why it means settle down. This process is known as sedimentation. Okay, this is sedimentation. The settling of solid particles into the liquid at the bottom of the beaker, so bottom of the container. The settling property is known as sedimentation. Okay, the solid which is being settled down, the solid which been settled down or which settled is known as sediment. Okay, is sediment, and the clear liquid after the sediment, the clear liquid present that is known as super supernatant liquid. The solid which is being settled down is known as sediment, and the pure liquid is known as supernatant liquid. Okay. Now, this separation of pure liquid from this mixture, the, the process by which we are collecting this pure liquid by pouring this liquid is known as decantation. So how we will do decantation? Now, suppose here one beaker is taken with a glass rod. This is a rod made up of glass. Okay, glass rod. We will add. We will pour the mixture of. We will pour the mixture of solid liquid. This mixture, this is sand particles, okay, and this is liquid particles, okay. So after here, we will found the liquid. This process is known as decantation. Okay, this process is known as decantation. Decantation means pouring the pure liquid from mixture into a pure form. Got it? So sedimentation is the process by which solid particles is being settling down at the bottom of beaker, and decantation means pouring of pure liquid from that mixture is known as decantation. The solid which is being settled down is sediment, and the pure liquid is known as supernatant liquid. Now tell me, this mixture, sand and water, is homogeneous or heterogeneous? Hello, am I audible? Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
tell me, this mixture is homogeneous or heterogeneous?
Sir,
This
heterogeneous.
this process is useful for the solid heterogeneous mixture. Solid heterogeneous mixture. Okay. So what is sediment and sedimentation? Right. The process of the process of settling down of suspended insoluble insoluble heavy particles in a solid liquid mixture when left undisturbed uh, is called sedimentation. Okay, the solid which settles down at the bottom of beaker is known as sediment, and the pure liquid is called supernatant liquid. Okay, the process of pouring out the clear liquid is decantation. ये definitions याद रखना, you should be remember this definition. Decantation, supernatant liquid, sediment, sedimentation, and this mixture is useful for solid liquid heterogeneous mixture. Solid liquid heterogeneous mixture. नोट डाउन करो जल्दी से एंड नोट करो. नोट डाउन हुआ? नोट डाउन कंप्लीट.
Yes, sir.
रिस्पॉन्स करो, नोट डाउन हो गया जल्दी से नोट करो, बता रहे हैं टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस फिल्ट्रेशन. The filtration, it is also applicable for solid liquid heterogeneous mixture. This is also useful for heterogeneous mixture. So what we will done, suppose this is a solid liquid heterogeneous mixture where some sand particles are present at the bottom of the beaker or suspended particles these are. Okay, so we will take one conical flask. Okay, it will seems like this conical flask. Okay, and this conical flask will be in contact with another beaker, empty beaker. Okay, this conical flask is attached with a clamp. It is attached with the clamp. Now this is attached with. Now we will add by a glass rod. We will pour that mixture. Pour that mixture here. Okay. Here, one filter paper is placed. Okay. In this conical flask, one filter paper is placed. Filter paper like a paper. It is a one kind of paper whose pores is very much. Nothing is audible. मतलब अपना mic का जो डिवाइस वाली है वो सिलेक्ट करो। ठीक है, तो यहाँ एक फिल्टर पेपर प्लेस करना है। फिल्टर पेपर इज वन काइंड ऑफ पेपर whose force is very much less. Okay, we should be fold filter paper that it will form a cone type structure. Okay, it it will form a cone type structure, and when we pour that mixture, so after that, in filter paper, in filter paper, क्या चैट है, वेट, क्यों नहीं सुनाई दे रहा? Am I audible to rest of the students? Anyone can hear me?
Yes, sir, but I can't see anything.
Okay, that means it is only Aditya's problem.
Sir, I cannot see anything.
Yes, I have paused the video.
Okay.
Okay, so when we pour this mixture here using a filter paper, we should fold that filter paper in such a way that it will take a shape of this cone. So after that, residue will be collected here. Solid particles will be collected here, and here we will collect pure liquid. That liquid will pass through the filter paper, and it will collect at the bottom of the beaker. Okay. After that, we will open that filter paper. Open that filter paper and found that there are some solid particles of that sand or some suspended particles are present. Okay. These suspended particles is known as residue. The particles which left over the filter paper is known as residue. Okay, and the pure liquid which passed through the filter paper is called filtrate. Okay, residue means the insoluble solid left on the filter is called residue. Insoluble solid left on the filter is called residue. And filtrate means liquid which, कोई मैसेज कर दो, एक बार बोलो कि अपना ऑडियो सिलेक्ट करने के लिए उसको, liquid which passes through filter paper is called filtrate. ठीक है, ये फिल्ट्रेट का प्रोसेस है। नहीं, हम भी नहीं सुन पा रहे आदित्य प्रकाश। ठीक है, this is the filtration process. Third, evaporation. So evaporation is useful for both homogeneous and heterogeneous, but more readily we will use it for the homogeneous, because heterogeneous heterogeneous for heterogeneous we have more easy process like filtration, sedimentation. Okay, that's why more pronouncedly we use evaporation for homogeneous. Okay, here homogeneous mixture is, suppose this is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means solid liquid one state, we can't see that solid particles. We will heat this substance. Okay, we will heat this mixture by strong heat. Strong heat heating, after the strong heating, the liquid molecule will be evaporated out and the solid will left over here. This is known as evaporation. Okay, after the strong heating, liquid will be evaporated and solid particles will be left over. Is known as evaporation. Okay, more pronouncedly we use evaporation for the homogeneous mixture, but we can use for heterogeneous. If we will heat water from sand, so water will be evaporated, sand will form, but वाटर सैंड को अलग करने के लिए हम लोग के पास फिल्ट्रेशन है, सेडिमेंटेशन है, दैट इज द मोर इजी वे टू सेपरेट हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. बट होमोजीनियस के लिए हम लोग इवापोरेशन करेंगे ताकि वाटर इवापोरेट हो जाए तो उसके अंदर में जो सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट है वो बाहर आ जाए. ठीक है, बाय दिस प्रोसेस हम लोग सेपरेशन करते हैं सॉल्ट वाटर को. सॉल्ट वाटर होता है दैट इज सी वाटर. नेक्स्ट, डिस्टिलेशन. नेक्स्ट, distillation. See, evaporation and distillation is somehow similar. Okay. In evaporation, we supply heat, and due to that heat, liquid molecules evaporate. But we will get only the solid particles. Okay. In distillation process, we can collect that liquid vapors, evaporated vapors. In distillation, we can collect these liquid vapors. So then we can separate both the liquid and solid. That means when we need to collect that liquid portions too, then we will use distillation. But when we do not need to collect that liquid, only solid will be required. So we will use evaporation. Okay. What happened in distillation? When this uh, it will be done in the closed container. Okay, it will be done in the closed container. This is a liquid mixture supplying heat. So when here one force is present by which that vapors will collect. That vapors will collect here. Now tell me at what temperature this vapor is present right now? The vapor which is passing through this tube. What is the temperature? Suppose this is salt solution. At what temperature oil and water starts to boil? At what temperature? What Tell me at what temperature water starts to boil?
सर 100 डिग्री.
तो फास्ट बताओ ना, इतना लेट क्यों रिस्पॉन्स करते हो तुम लोग? डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस में क्या होता है देखो, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन सपोज लिए होमोजेनस मिक्सचर. अब हीट कर दें, हीट करने पर वाटर जो है लिक्विड पोर्शन जो है वो वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. वो वेपर इस ट्यूब के थ्रू पास हो रहा है. यहाँ पर हम लोग वेपर तो छोड़ दिए थे, लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल को कलेक्ट नहीं करना है. वी हैड टू कलेक्ट ओनली द सॉलिड पार्टिकल, but here we have to collect the liquid particles too. So water molecules vaporize हो रहे 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस में. तो ये जो ट्यूब से वाटर वेपर पास हो रहा है उसका भी टेम्परेचर है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. We will supply here normal water, okay, tap water. And तो देखो ये कंडेंसेटर का तरह काम करता है, कंडेंसेटर ट्यूब. ठीक है. लिक्विड पार्टिकल्स यहाँ बाहर से कोल्ड वाटर यहाँ पर एंटर किया, इधर से हॉट वाटर आ रहा है, हॉट वेपर इज कमिंग at this point, contact point, that hot water by the exchange of heat vapor, hot vapor by exchange of heat are then converting to the liquid, and here we will find that liquid portion. After that, this cold water by absorbing that heat from this vapor, it will go out from here to synth. Okay, this is called distillation. So when total water vapors will be go to in this beaker, we will found left over here solid particles. Okay, this liquid is known as distilled water. Okay, the pure water we are founding by this process is known as distilled water. Clearly, this is also for the homogeneous mixture. That is in homogeneous mixture, we supply heat energy, then liquid starts to boil, vaporizes, that vapors condensation करेंगे by supplying the cold water, and the pure water we will find that is known as distilled water, and in this portion that salt or that solid particles we then found. Okay, next, crystallization.
Sir, beside the tap water, what you have written? Sir, at the
Here
up. Yes, sir, this.
this is two synth.
Okay.
टू सिंथ. ये जो टैप वाटर से कोल्ड वाटर पास किए वो हीट वेपर का हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा तो वो हॉट वाटर हो जाएगा. दैट हॉट वाटर विल बी पास्ड बाय दिस ट्यूब, इट विल गो टू द सिंथ. and this is known as condenser. ओके, जो वाटर सप्लाई होला ये जो पोर्शन है, दिस इज कंडेंसेटर, दिस इज कंडेंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. In crystallization, we will evaporate slow evaporation. We will do slow evaporation of the homogeneous mixture. Okay, when look at here evaporation. When these liquid molecules evaporate, then the solid mixtures, solid particles are then found in out. Okay, this process is known as here crystallization. From in this process, pure solid crystal will be formed. Pure solid crystal will be formed. होता क्या इसमें कि एट फर्स्ट हम लोग सॉल्यूशन मिक्सचर पे हीट करते हैं, जब बहुत व्हेन वेरी मच लेस अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड लेफ्ट, देन वी pull that solution. Okay, on pulling pure crystal of the solid is separating out. हीट करना है फिर उसको पुल करना है, तब जाता हमको क्रिस्टल मिलता है. Last and important one, that is centrifugation. So centrifugation क्या है? The centrifugation is useful for the homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture where liquids having different in their density, ओके. क्या होता है इस प्रोसेस में, लिक्विड मिक्सचर तो लिया जाता है और हाई स्पीड में रोटेट किया जाता है. ठीक है, इन अ सेंट्रीफ्यूज ट्यूब, सपोज मान लो दिस इज अ सेंट्रीफ्यूज ट्यूब. ओके, एक सेंट्रीफ्यूज ट्यूब लिया जाता है. इस ट्यूब में ये होमोजेनस मिक्सचर लिया गया और इसको हाई स्पीड में रोटेटिंग किया गया. सेंट्रीफ्यूज ट्यूब को हम लोग रोटेट किए, रोटेटिंग एट हाई स्पीड. ओके, सो हाई स्पीड में रोटेट करने से क्या हुआ, ड्यू टू द रोटेशन एट हाई स्पीड, the two liquid mixture whose density were different, they will be separated out. The heavier density liquid which has heavier higher density or heavier solid particles, it will start it starts to go to the bottom of the beaker